Can you see yourself in the 2023 Nissan Titan? The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, bed liner, lane keeping assist, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control. Add a new level of luxury to every excursion in this handsome Titan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.